Okay, good afternoon, Cuxton, and welcome to this week's Celebration Assembly. I know it's a whole day late, but yesterday you had the wonderful music assembly that Miss Balestrini organised for you. So we're going to make a start because home time is getting very close. So let's start in the early years. So we have a certificate here for Jacob for amazing all-round effort and achievement in all learning. Wow, Jacob, very impressive. And a certificate here for Billy for amazing knowledge and facts about different animals. Clearly so informed, Billy, around your topic. Well done to George, who's demonstrating resilience for persevering with your writing and using finger spaces. So well done, George. And well done to Bella, who's demonstrated excellence for wowing me with your writing using question marks and exclamation marks. Wow, Bella, that's a year 2 objective. That's phenomenal. Let's give early years a huge round of applause. Well done, Oak and Ash. Off to year 1. So Seb has been showing excellence in his writing in English. Keep it up, Seb. And Jessica has also been showing excellence in English with her great reasoning and the use of the word because. Well done, Jess. And a big well done to Leo for creating an amazing algorithm on the iPad. That sounds very complex, Leo. And congratulations to Sophie G for creating an amazing algorithm on the iPads too. So well done, Sophie. Let's give year 1 a big round of applause. Well done, year 1. Year 2. So Harrison has demonstrated his excellent use of the iPad in geography. Wow, lots of children are using the iPad this week, which is really pleasing to hear. And Toby was also showing excellence in his use of the iPad in geography. So well done to Toby. Let's give year, oh no, we've still got one more class. Well done to Jack for showing resilience when taking on new challenges. So meeting our resilience value, Jack. And to Emily for showing excellence in her learning and recognising when to help others. Well done, Emily. Let's give year 2 a huge round of applause. Okay, off to year 3. So we've got Tommy, who's demonstrating excellence for fantastic attitude to learning all week. Keep it up, Tommy. And to Bo for demonstrating resilience, for working hard and pushing herself, clearly challenging yourself in your work, Bo. Well done. And, oh, we don't seem to have the other class, unless I'm missing it at the end. We'll have a look. Magnolia, we'll get back to you. Let's give year 3 a big round of applause so far to Cherry class. Okay, so off to year 4. We have a certificate here for Bethany for her excellent contributions in maths lessons. Keep it up, Bethany. Well done to Lois B for her positive attitude towards her work, particularly in English. Well done, Lois. And congratulations to Amelia for her outstanding work, especially in reading. Well done, Amelia. Good girl. And well done to Ned for his fantastic all-round effort, especially in his writing. Huge well done, Ned. Let's give your year 4 a huge round of applause. Well done. Off to year 5. So we have a certificate here for Maisie for ambitious working really hard to become an independent learner. So keep up the ambitious work. Well done to Grace for the community value, for looking out for and supporting our children. Well done to Grace, being really kind and considerate and supporting other children in your class. Well done to Ollie for transferring his knowledge of coordinates to map reading, for making links between your learning, Ollie, very impressive. And well done to Midi for always ensuring that our community is neat and tidy, so demonstrating the community value. Big well done to Midi. Let's give year 5 a huge round of applause. Well done, year 5. Okay, off to year 6. So we have a certificate here for Hannah for showing excellence in her artwork for the year 6 production. Well done to Hannah. Thank you. No, it's fine, Mr. Giacondi. I've got Mr. Giacondi certificates. It's fine, don't panic. And well done to Buddy for showing excellence in his acting for the Year 6 production. I can't wait to see the Year 6 production. Every time I've walked past the rehearsals in the hall, it's going wonderfully. And well done to Laura S for her excellence in her dramatic performance. And to Jackson for his excellence in prop management, design and organisation. Jackson, it sounds like you've got a very important job there. Well done to Year 6. Okay, Magnolia class, better late than never. So we've got Miss Giacondi's certificates here now. So well done to Edie for showing the community value, for being incredibly compassionate and selfless during Forest School. Well done to Edie. And to Amelia J for showing resilience, for working hard in maths and doing challenging questions. Well done to Amelia. Let's give the Magnolia children a huge round of applause. Well done. Okay, tidiest classroom this week, children. So the tidiest classroom in the infant school is, drum roll, and stop, beach class. And I can hear a huge roar behind me, which is lovely to hear. So well done, beach class. And the tidiest classroom in the junior school goes to, drum roll, and stop, olive class. And I know Mrs. Hackett and Mrs. Humphreys were talking about this yesterday. They were so proud of Olive class, so please keep it up. Okay, best attendance awards. So we need to find out which class has the best attendance across the whole school so that they can choose one of our special golden envelopes. So the best attendance in the infant school goes to, drum roll, stop, Pine class with 98.7%. The best attendance in the junior school goes to, drum roll, and stop, White Beam class with 100% attendance. Well done, White Beam class. That is amazing. So the golden envelopes will be coming your way. I can't wait to hear what you get up to this week. So because Pine and White Beam were the had the best attendance, we've got Paige and Hannah Okoye. So Hannah, sorry. So Paige in year 1 and Hannah in year 6, who have been given the special attendance awards. So well done, children. Okay, we've got some children who have achieved 100 home reads. So we've got George and we've got Zach. And Zach just come to see me just before the assembly and was absolutely beaming. So your names are going to be added to the 100 home read tree that is looking absolutely wonderful at the moment. We've got somebody in year 2 who has achieved their pen licence. So a big well done to Harrison. Miss Taylor wanted to recognise that. And we've got a couple of children across the school who have achieved 100 cereals. So a big well done to Maya in Oak class, to Joseph in Chestnut class. Hang on, I need to hurry up. There we go. And to Valerie in Chestnut class. Well done, Valerie. To Ellie May in Chestnut class, who's really impressing me at the moment, so keep it up, Ellie. And well done to Tammy in Chestnut class, who's also received 100 cereals. So wonderful achievement. Finally, the golden book. So let's rattle our way through many names. So we've got Harley for his brilliant artwork about his emotions. We've got James, James G, for an incredible stormproof den in Forest School. He explained his choices so well too. Well done to Amelia B, Lila R and Ruben J for great number bonds to 5 work using Conkers. Well done to Ted H and Katie B for an incredible book review using lots of fantastic video techniques on the iPad. Children have been really impressing us with their use of iPads. They're doing brilliantly. Well done to Layla K for using her initiative, creating a book about nature in Forest School. Vinnie R for independently writing 2 excellent persuasive adverts. To Jack T and Lily P for brilliant work on coordinates, great understanding. Oscar P for being a really sensible and helpful member of the class today. To Harry S for reading a whole book of CVC words independently. Well done, Harry. To Sienna H and Finley CH for fantastic use of split diagraphs during ELS work. Well done to JJ, M and Lola B for brilliant coordinates work. and Finn O and Owen R for fabulous use of split diagraphs in ELS. Keep it up, children. Really, really impressive. Lots of children in the Golden Book this week. Before we leave, I just want to remind you about Cuxton's Got Talent. This is honestly one of the highlights to my calendar at Cuxton. I can't wait to watch the Cuxton's Got Talent final. If you would like to participate in Cuxton's Got Talent, you need to let your teacher know by the end of this Friday, and then they will organise for you to do your rehearsals and also perform in front of your class. We're going to have to do it slightly differently this year, children, because of the way we have to do our assembly. So rather than everyone getting in the hall and doing one big Cuxton's Got Talent, we're going to record performances and then have a virtual Cuxton's Got Talent. But if you are interested, speak to your teacher by the end of this Friday, please. And before, children have won for various different things, so music, dance, reading after poems, comedy, gymnastics, and so on. So we know how talented our children are at Cuxton, and Cuxton's Got Talent is a great way of showing off your brilliant talents. So have a great rest of the week. Hopefully the sun will start shining again. I hope that early years didn't get too wet this morning with the alpacas, but it sounds like you had a wonderful time. So I will speak to you soon. See you later. Bye.